Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to transfer your Amazon gift card balance to your Amazon wallet. This is a common question, but it's important to understand that you can't directly transfer a gift card balance into a separate wallet. Instead, you'll redeem the gift card so the value gets added to your Amazon account balance, which you can then use for any purchase. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to Amazon.com. Go ahead and log into your account. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of the page and hover your mouse over Account and Lists. This will open a drop-down menu. From there, select Account. Now that you're on your account page, click on Gift Cards. This will take you to the gift card management section where you can redeem cards and check your balance. In the upper left area of this page, you'll see an option that says Redeem a gift card. Click on that. This is where you'll enter your gift card information to add the funds to your account. You'll notice a field where you can type in your claim code. Carefully enter the gift card claim code exactly as it appears on your physical card or in the email you received. Make sure there are no typos or extra spaces, as this can prevent the code from working. Once you've entered the code, click Apply to your balance. Amazon will process this and add the gift card amount directly to your account balance. You'll see a confirmation message letting you know the balance has been successfully applied. This balance will now be available for use whenever you make a purchase on Amazon. Now, there's also another option if you want to reload your balance. Instead of redeeming a gift card, go back to the Amazon gift card page. You'll find an option that says Reload Your Balance. Click on that. Here, you can select a preset amount such as $25, $50, or $100. If you want a different amount, you can type the exact value directly into the designated field. This gives you flexibility depending on how much you want to add to your account. After selecting or entering your amount, click Buy Now in the right panel. This will take you to the checkout page where you'll need to select your payment method. Choose the payment option you prefer from your saved methods. Finally, click Place Your Order. Amazon will process the transaction and add the reloaded amount to your account balance. This balance can then be used just like the redeemed gift card balance for any future purchases. And that's it. You've successfully added funds to your Amazon account balance, whether by redeeming a gift card or reloading directly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.